There's a pile of gravel there that they had to remove out of the hangar to level the floor and put in the rebar, which you'll see in a moment. And we have the driveway out here. That'll have to be done at some point in time too, but I'm just waiting for that until things settle a little bit more. So the building itself was built by Remuda Building. And the door was provided by Diamond Doors, the province of Manitoba. Winkler, I believe, Manitoba. The lumber that I have on the floor, or rather just above the floor there, those are 2x4s and 2x6s, studs and so forth. They're going to be used at a later date once the cement floor is in. And right in this corner, we're going to build a, hopefully a 10 by 10 foot room. Now that'll be sort of an area where we can sit down in the winter and have a coffee and this type of thing, put a couch in it. And I bought some more solar panels as well. We have one solar panel up there, up in that window, and there is another solar panel over there, or there are two solar panels. Those solar panels are meant for charging the batteries on the door since it runs off a 24 volt motor.